Hello guys, so today we're gonna go through Capcut Masking tutorial. First of all, you want to edit your clip, so select aspect ratio right there and choose 9:16. And now you want to zoom in your clip, so to fit the frame, just like so. Now what you want to do is export this video and basically after that you want to put it in the new project. So you put the same to the new project. And here you have it. Now you want to select this clip and pick the background remover, which is somewhere here. Here it is. Now you want to choose a custom removal, choose a brush option, and you want to select all the avatar and basically brush it all out to be so it's the whole selected. And after that, just click that tick and now you have it. Now what you want to do is add overlay of these sparkly LED lights. So click overlay and add overlay. And once it is here, now you want to adjust it to fit the video. Something like so. And of course it has to be for the whole video. So let's adjust it. There it is. Now, once we add it, you want to click splice and choose burn option, just like so. And now we want to select the main clip and press adjust option right there. And you want to adjust the brightness to 20, around that. And now you export the video again. Now you want to delete everything except your avatar. So let's leave it like so. And now you want to go ahead and add the first original clip we have exported. And after that, you want to go ahead and find an option overlay. Here it is, this one. I want to add another overlay with the textured avatar, which we have also exported. So click add overlay here. Now we want to choose this overlay clip, click splice and choose soft, just like so. And you want to adjust it maybe a little bit more. I think I'm gonna leave it like so. And now you want to pick the mask option right there, and you want to pick horizontal. And now let's adjust this line of how much we want to see of this clip. So I'm just gonna leave it like so. Now again, you want to select this video and duplicate it right there, and you want to drag it till under the same clip, just like so. Now you want to again select that duplicate clip we just duplicated, click on splice and on filter, just like so. And now we want to select this main clip and adjust the brightness to -30. Something like so. Now you will drag your avatar overlay, which is at the end right there, to the bottom, and again under these clips. And again, you're gonna select it and adjust the brightness to -10. Select the brightness and do it to around -10. And now again, you want to select layer somewhere here. Here it is. And you want to select the third option. Now once you dragged it, just click on tick. Now we forgot to do is go ahead and adjust this masking of ours. So we want to put it there. Now we want to go to the effects and find them here, and to video effects and select edge glow. Let's write down edge glow. So there are a few options, but I think we can choose this one and drag it through the whole video. And you also want to go ahead and select object and select your first overlay. Now after that you want to go ahead and add another effect, which would be angel. So let's try to find it. And once you will find the angel one. And now we want to select this one and add it. Now again here you want to choose the clip which would have this glow, just like so. And yeah, basically you need to adjust the brightness a little bit, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.